Republicans in Washington state are calling for civil disobedience, as they openly encourage Seattle residents to refuse paying a newly passed income tax that critics claim is illegal. The tax, passed by the Seattle City Council, targets high-income earners as part of what local lawmakers call a new formula for fairness. But critics and analysts say it was passed in defiance of state law, and the state GOP has escalated its opposition by urging residents to forcefully resist. This law is unconstitutional, illegal, and against the voters will express 9 times at the ballot box, and it deserves nothing less than civil disobedience, that is, refusal to comply, file, or pay. The Washington State Republican Party said in a written statement, the tax measure would require residents to pay a 25% tax if they are a single filer and make more than $250,000 annually, or file jointly and make more than $500,000. Our goal is to replace our regressive tax system with a new formula for fairness while ensuring Seattle stands up to President Trump's austere budget that cuts transportation, affordable housing, healthcare and social services, outgoing Democratic Mayor Ed Murray said. Calls grow for Seattle mayor to resign after sexual abuse. Report: the city estimates the new tax would raise $140 million a year and cost between $10 million and $13 million to set up, plus an additional $6 million a year to enforce. The money made would go toward affordable housing projects as well as other services for lower-paid workers. Opponents of the bill, however, argue that Seattle's plan to tax the rich is unconstitutional, because the state of Washington imposes strict limits on taxes, prohibits taxes on net income, and requires cities to get permission to tax residents. Seattle's tax seems to fail these tests, but local officials like Councilmember Kashama Sawant aren't backing down and have enthusiastically signaled the city is ready to fight in what could be a very costly legal battle.